What's the meaning of circumspectly? Circumspectly. Circumspectly.
Circumspectly. Circumspectly. The word circumspectly means to act with caution and careful consideration. It involves being aware of potential risks and consequences in a given situation and taking actions accordingly in order to achieve one's objectives without unnecessary negative outcomes. Acting circumspectly requires a level of mindfulness and a willingness to weigh all the options before making any decisions. By doing so, individuals who act circumspectly are able to navigate complex situations in a strategic manner, minimizing potential risks and maximizing their chances of success.